Hi, I'm Chris from Pyrodigital, and in this video I would like to show you how you can load script tables onto the controller. The load option in the data table mode is for importing script tables onto the controller, but you can also use it to clear and erase the currently chosen table. Each controller can contain up to 4 different script tables, each containing 2500 lines. First, you have to select one table that you would like to override by going to data table mode and select. Now you can select the table you would like to override. Here I will choose 0 and press enter. Now set up your scripting software and connect the USB cable from your computer to the field controller. Now you press load, and yes, we want to erase the current table. This will take some seconds now. If you only want to erase the table, you just have to wait until this process is finished and then abort the function by pressing either stop or data table. With this, you will only have a clear data table and won't load anything onto the controller. Now you can start the download in your scripting software. After the download is completed, you will be directly led back to the data table mode, and now you can double check if everything worked out. So you can go to edit and check your first lines here. When a script table gets erased or loaded, the corresponding hazard logout preset will be reset, as well as the assignment table. Thank you for watching. You can see our other videos and more information on our website pyrodigital.com. Hope I see you next time. Bye.